Welcome back to Avo and Mole, the place where we test crazy money ideas so you don't waste your rent money on scams. Today, I decided to let AI run my life. Well, at least my dropshipping business, for 7 days. Yep, no human brain cells were harmed in this experiment. Just me, my laptop, and a bunch of AI tools that claim they can make you rich while you sleep. Spoiler alert, I didn't sleep much. On day 1, I asked ChatGPT, "Hey buddy, find me a product that can make me rich." It gave me a list, everything from posture correctors to cat water fountains. Basically, it thinks Americans are broke, hunched, and dehydrated. But I went with a trending product AI suggested after I stalked TikTok ads for 2 hours. A self-cleaning water bottle. Because why clean when technology can do it for you, right? Usually building a dropshipping store takes days, but with AI, boom! I got a Shopify store with product descriptions written by ChatGPT, a logo generated by Midjourney, and an About Us page that made me sound like Jeff Bezos' long-lost cousin. Honestly, the AI made me look way more professional than I actually am. Day 3 was all about ads. I told AI, make me viral on TikTok, and it wrote me ad scripts that sounded like a 14-year-old influencer hyped up on energy drinks. I even used AI voices to do the narration because, let's be honest, my real voice sounds like a tired GPS. The result? I had video ads ready in under an hour. Normally, that would take me 3 emotional breakdowns and a gallon of coffee. This is where things got interesting. I put $50 into TikTok ads. The first few flopped harder than my New Year's resolutions, but then one ad actually got clicks, like real humans, breathing, buying humans. I felt like Elon Musk launching a rocket, except my rocket was a water bottle and it only went up like 3 feet. Day 5, my phone buzzed. Cha-ching, my first sale. I may or may not have screamed loud enough for my neighbors to call the cops. The profit? Around $12. Which sounds small, but hey, that's 2 Chipotle burritos. And let's be real, that's the true American dream. But then came customer service. Normally, this is where dropshippers cry. But not me. I had an AI chatbot reply to emails instantly. Someone asked, "How do I charge this water bottle?" And my AI bot answered with a 500-word essay. It was so professional, even I learned something new about my own product. So after 1 week, here's the damage. I made a few sales, spent more on ads than I made in profit, but learned that AI can actually handle like 80% of the dropshipping process. Store building, ads, customer service. The only thing it couldn't do was stop me from binge eating Oreos while refreshing my dashboard every 5 minutes. Here's how you can literally copy this experiment. 1. Use AI to find trending products, ChatGPT plus TikTok spy tools. 2. Build a Shopify store with AI product descriptions and logos. 3. Let AI generate ad creatives and captions. 4. Run low-budget ads, test what works, and scale the winners. So, yeah, AI dropshipping is not some magic ATM, but it's also not total BS. If you want me to reveal the exact prompts I used to make AI do all this work, drop a comment saying AI hustle. And subscribe to Avo and Mole, because next week, I'm letting AI pick my investments, which means either I'll become a millionaire or I'll be living with my mom again. Either way, you don't want to miss it.